Hey folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming in with another cool product from Kensington.com. We've reviewed a ton of these guys' products over the years. Always impressed with them and wonderful build. This is the VeriMark IT fingerprint key. If you recall, we reviewed their original one and they've updated this, made it even better. So pretty cool that way. This thing is pretty amazing. It's very easy, plug and play to your computers, and instantly you have fingerprint access. Of course, you got to set up a little bit in Windows, but that's another thing through the settings of Windows 10. It supports Windows Hello for Business, Azure, Active Directory, Office 365, Skype, OneDrive, and Outlook. It gives you easy integration into the current IT infrastructure and support for a lot of these different programs and everything else. It gives you secure login, and you can easily manage employee access privilege and passwords if you're an IT manager. And it gives you FIDO2 Web Auth compatibility. It enables the latest web standards approved by the World Wide Web Consortium and authenticates without storing passwords on servers, without business professionals, giving them more security and convenience, privacy, and scalability. It's got a match-in sensor fingerprint technology that exceeds industry standards for false rejection rate and false acceptance rate. So the fingerprint data is secured in the sensor, so only encrypted match is transferred versus match on host where an unsecured fingerprint is transferred. So it gives you more safety for your stuff. It's got a robust design with a zinc alloy body with LED accepted or rejected indicator. It'll either show white or red if you fail the system, and flared tail for an easy grip to pull in and out of your USB. It's got protected privacy, which secures your fingerprint data it collects. It can be used to support a company's cybersecurity measures consistent to privacy laws such as GDPR, BIPA, and CCPA. It's Taa compliant, made in Taiwan, ready for use with organizations requiring adherence to Taa regulations. And does a great job in the testing we do with it, and we love it. Be sure to check it out. You go to Kensington.com, click the link below if you like, and we'll see you next time.